All right, guys, let's get this lesson finished up for the week. Day 3 of chapter 6, lesson 3. We've already talked about weathering. Today, we're going to talk about erosion and deposition. So erosion, water, gravity, wind, and ice can all move bits of weathered rock. The process of carrying away weathered bits of rock is called erosion. Moving water erodes or carries away materials from the land and can slowly carve grooves into the land as a result. So just like here, the sides of this have eroded away over time, and now there is a large groove in the land that wasn't once there. Waves are constantly changing the shape of the shoreline as well. In colder parts of the earth, moving ice erodes landforms, so like glaciers can move or change landforms as well. All right, deposition. So as parts of Earth's surface are broken down, other parts are built up, because the parts that are broken down aren't just disappearing. They've got to go somewhere, right? So the bits of weathered rock that are carried away have to be dropped somewhere else. As moving water slows, the larger pebbles in the water settle to the bottom first, then smaller sand-sized pebbles, and then finally the silt and the clay. The deposited amounts from a river into the ocean form an area called a delta, and it looks like this, kind of where there's little branches going off and there's land in between. This is a delta. The size and the shape of a sand dune also depend on the amount of sand deposited in the area by the wind. So as you can see here, there is not really a built-up area here, but this sand dune is exceptionally large because of how the wind has deposited the sand over time. All right, guys, that is it for today. Short, simple, sweet, to the point. Make sure you are checking for any assignments. You do have your quiz tomorrow, so make sure you go back through these at some point to refresh your memory. Have a great afternoon and a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.